Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add article content in Drupal. So I have Drupal installed on my one of the domain, and I use cPanel software installation for installing Drupal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my Drupal backend, and next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to check for my content menu option. So you can see this secondary menu where you can click on content. Okay, now here you have option to add new content. Currently there is no content on website, so I'm going to click on add content. Okay, now here you can see two options like article and basic page. So I want to add article content, so I'm going to click on article. Now here you can see I need to have some title, so I can type in placeholder article content. Now to add some content into it, what I'm going to do is going to add lorem ipsum few paragraphs. So go to lipsum.com, and there you can find paragraph generate lorem ipsum. Now copy the paragraphs. Okay, now here you can paste it, right? And here you can choose the tag. So let's say I want to add demo tag. Okay, and nothing more to it. Now I can preview this content before publishing it. So simply click on preview. Okay, preview looks something like this. Okay, right, now I can go back to content editing. Okay, now here I can choose how much to show by adjusting few paragraphs. Just to show you how it works, I can add some spacing before. Okay, if I want, I can also add image. Okay, now let me also add some spacing below so that it looks much cleaner. Right, now let's preview again. Now if you look at the bottom, now the spacing is much cleaner now, and I can go back to edit and publish this. Okay, now here in order to publish this, make sure that publish tag is set, and also you have save button pressed. Now here you can see your article placeholder article content has been created. Okay, now it looks like this on your front page. Okay, you can edit this, delete this, see the revisions made by you or any other editor on the website. Okay, at the bottom you can also find the comment section. Okay, so you get the idea how to add content into your Drupal website and how to add that placeholder article content using lorem ipsum generator website and adding that into your placeholder content. Okay, so this was a small demo.